In today's video I'm going to make you something special and unusual but really healthy. I'm going to make a butternut squash smoothie. Here I have a cup and a half water. I'm going to wait for it to boil. I'm going to add a pimento leaf in. Also nutmeg. Crack this one open. This is fresh nutmeg. Don't afraid, you can just drop that in. I have nothing to lose. Give you some extra flavor. So I'll be using probably half of this or quarter. Butternut squash. Take the skin off. Water is boiling. Drop them in. Now I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to put a lid on. So while the butternut squash is cooking, I'm going to explain some nutrition value to it. The butternut squash is full of potassium and also help to keep your blood pressure normal. Also reduce the risk of strokes, and also it's good for fiber and digestive system. That's the reason you should have this day to day or even 3 times a week. When I finish with this, you'll see how lovely it is. Now the butternut squash is ready, so I'm going to strain it off, cool it down, then blend it. Now I'll strain it off, reach a good temperature. So now we're going to start. We're going to add a bit of vanilla, cinnamon, sweetened condensed milk. It's personal preference. Add some ice. Water. Finish him off with some nutmeg on the top. This is what the finished product look like. If you feel to add a straw to it, there you go. Straw hidden. Delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.